Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to customize the night light or eye comfort mode on this device. So basically we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to enter the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find eye comfort. Let's tap on it, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you prefer to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you. So first of all, let's begin with the screen color temperature. We can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and currently we've got this option set. And by going to the right, we can make it much more warmer. In real life, it's almost orangish. Here we've got the display effects, so we've got the color, which simply means that your device will be a little bit yellow, but still the colors will be saved. So as you can see, for example, on the switcher it is still green, or we can set black and white, and as you can see, from now on your device will be monochromatic. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with the color, or maybe black and white, why not. Here you can schedule that feature, so you can custom it. Just tap on it, tap on custom, and as you can see here, you can pick the turn on and off time. So basically you can decide when it will start and when it will be turned off. So for example, something like that. So let's tap on save, and as you can see, we just immediately got back to the normal state of the device, of the display. It is of course because we are not between the start and the end time currently. But let me actually turn it off. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and now I can show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find this eye comfort icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, actually immediately the screen will be again yellowish and displayed in the monochromatic option because I've chosen it. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.